Taking Control of Fatty Liver, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to our blog, where we will guide you on how to take control of fatty liver disease and improve your liver health. By following these simple steps, you can make positive changes to your lifestyle and protect your liver from further damage. Let's get started. Number 1. Consult with a healthcare professional. The first step in managing fatty liver disease is to consult with a healthcare professional. They will evaluate your condition and provide personalized advice based on your health history and test results. Number 2. Adopt a healthy diet. Focus on adopting a healthy diet. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meals. Avoid processed foods, sugary beverages, saturated fats, and trans fats. Remember, a balanced diet is key to supporting liver health. Number 3. Lose weight. If you're overweight or obese, shedding those extra pounds can significantly improve your fatty liver. Aim for gradual weight loss through a combination of a healthy diet and regular exercise. Losing about 1 to 2 pounds per week is a realistic and sustainable goal. Number 4. Exercise regularly. Engaging in regular physical activity is crucial for managing fatty liver disease. Incorporate at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise, like brisk walking, into your weekly routine. Exercise improves insulin sensitivity and helps reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Number 5. Limit alcohol consumption. It's important to limit or completely avoid alcohol consumption when you have fatty liver disease. Alcohol can worsen liver damage and hinder your progress. Focus on healthier alternatives and seek support if you need help with alcohol cessation. Number 6. Manage underlying conditions. If you have underlying conditions like diabetes, high cholesterol, or high blood pressure, work closely with your healthcare provider to manage them effectively. These conditions can contribute to fatty liver disease and need to be controlled. Number 7. Avoid harmful medications and toxins. Be cautious with medications and supplements that can harm your liver. Consult with your healthcare provider or pharmacist to ensure the safety of any medications you take. Also, be mindful of toxins in your environment and take necessary precautions to protect your liver. Number 8. Follow up with regular checkups. Regular checkups are essential for monitoring your liver health. Stay in touch with your healthcare provider and schedule recommended blood tests to track your progress. These checkups will help ensure your treatment plan is effective and make adjustments if needed. To end this, remember that taking control of fatty liver disease starts with small but significant lifestyle changes. By consulting with a healthcare professional, adopting a healthy diet, engaging in regular exercise, and making other positive choices, you can improve your liver health and prevent further complications. Remember, your liver deserves the best care you can provide. Take the first step today and embark on your journey to a healthier liver and a healthier you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content and found it valuable, I would greatly appreciate it if you could take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you'll be notified whenever I release new videos, ensuring you never miss out on the latest updates.